Looking to diversify your investments but don't know where to start? ETFs may be the answer.
ETFs, so that's exchange traded funds, have been one of our generation's, greatest financial innovations. And, ETFs, much like stocks, are able to be bought and sold and, housed in your brokerage accounts. And so think of an ETF as, a wrapper, and inside that wrapper can be a host of different assets or exposures. It could be stocks, it could be bonds, it could be commodities, it could be currencies. It allows investors of all sizes, so from the smallest self-directed investor to the largest institutions of the world, utilizing ETFs as building blocks for their portfolios.
Of course, we have the same question as you. Are they safe?
From a regulatory perspective, the SEC is the agency that regulates ETFs, and so they're very safe. It's the same regulatory agency that looks after public companies, so stocks and mutual funds. But when we think about the construction of an ETF, being that they're transparent and they're also quite diverse. And so unlike picking one particular stock that may go up or may go down, an ETF gives you that diversification, and in that sense, a little bit more protection to an investor's portfolio.
And as digital technology has changed our lives over the past few years with no signs of slowing down, one ETF in particular presents an opportunity to take advantage of game-changing technologies.
The digital economy is in its early stages and continuing to grow. And that's why Grayscale brought out the Grayscale Future of Finance ETF, ticker GFOF, which really gives investors the opportunity to participate in the growth of the digital economy. And I like to say, imagine being able to invest in, the internet infrastructure, ETF in the late 90s. That's what we're bringing to market. There are 22 names that are in our product, but some of them are household, like PayPal or Coinbase or Block. And then others are much smaller and have not yet become household names. But the beauty of an ETF is that over time, as the digital economy evolves, so too will the exposures or the names of companies that are going to be included. And so you get to rely on the expertise of Grayscale. And as the digital economy grows and as more and more companies really become intertwined into the digital economy, so too will they be intertwined into GFOF, and therefore offering investors the opportunity to really experience the growth of the digital economy.
Get more info at grayscale.com/GFOF.